Hey Team Numis Canada. That's what I call my subscribers. Hello coin collectors young and old, and anyone else that might be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. And today we have another episode of What's in the Box. So we'll get right into this just after this brief message. Welcome back. Well, let's get right into it. And I will just move this lid to the side, lift this up, and you may recognize something that you saw in here, but that's not all that's there. 2021 was the discovery of insulin. And it was quite involved. And there are many pieces to this puzzle. And we have here and here. And of course, you will have seen this on my channel before. This is the 100th anniversary of the discovery of insulin, and of course, it was by a Canadian. And the history is here. And of course, there are the two toonies. One is colorized and one is uncolorized. And of course, all the other coins for 2021. So this you would have seen previously, but there was more issued that year than any of us realize. As a matter of fact, we have this here, which is from Canada Post. And of course, these are 1921 to 2021 stamps. And of course, I'll let you take a close look at one of those. And of course, I'll give you close-up photographs of these coins and stamps. And this is a canceled stamp on the first day of issue by Canada Post. And it is sealed, but it's sealed because it's the first day of issue. And of course, I'm showing it upside down, my goodness. It didn't end there. I have a $100 banknote here, and this is nothing special. It's not a star note. It's not a special note. 2182 876 GKT. But if you look closely, there is a tribute to the anniversary of insulin on this banknote. And if you look closely here, there's an insulin bottle and a medical practitioner looking through the microscope. And how cool is that? I wanted to show you that the insulin commemorative was not only in these coins. But also in these stamps. And also on this banknote. How cool is that? Well, since I've done this video, I'm going to use it as a PSA and read some of the information that is in this card. How does insulin work? Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate the amount of sugar in the blood. Problems with insulin production or use can lead to too much sugar in the blood, which may damage the blood vessels and organs over time. There are 4 varieties of diabetes. There is type 1, which is a disease of the pancreas, does not produce any insulin. It is not preventable. Type 2, most common diagnosis, the body can't effectively produce enough insulin. Gestational, occurs during pregnancy, usually temporary. And pre-diabetes, when blood sugar levels are higher than normal, but are not yet high enough to be diagnosed as type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes risk factors are a family history of diabetes, people aged 40 years or older, ethnic background, some are more at risk, health history, high blood pressure, heart disease, overweight, or smoking, low socioeconomic status, lack of access to healthy food and environments promoting physical activity. There are 460 million people living between the ages of 20 and 70 with diabetes worldwide. There are 11,500 Canadians living with diabetes or pre-diabetes. Insuletin was the original name for insulin, and 10% have type 1 diabetes. 90% have type 2 diabetes. 3 to 20% of pregnant women may develop gestational diabetes. "14 years was the age of the first patient treated with insulin in January 1922. 3 to 4 years pre-insulin life expectancy after diabetes diagnosis. Now, better health outcomes and much longer life expectations thanks to the treatments of insulin. November 14 is World Diabetes Day." So that is the information that this coin set has in it, and I hope that you will take it seriously, especially if diabetes runs in your family, you're overweight, or you're over 40 years old. Have your sugar checked, because this can be a lifesaver. That's all I wanted to say in this PSA. Thank you for watching. That's all we have for you today. We hope to see you again soon.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.